It's no secret the home buying process can be intimidating. It is, after all, the biggest purchase most people will make in their lifetimes. I'm here to tell you 2 of the best ways to make the home buying process hassle-free. One of the first ways Guild Mortgage and our team make things simple is we allow clients to fill out the application online. You can easily search the FioreTeam.com, click the Apply Online button, and begin filling out the application. The application will ask you for your basic information, and you can stop and leave the site if necessary and pick back up where you left off at any time. Once you've filled out the online application, this will allow our team to begin helping you with the second step in hassle-free home buying, getting you pre-approved before you shop. Getting pre-approved is always necessary during the home buying process, but having that pre-approval letter in hand before you shop will help you be best prepared. Filling out the online mortgage application will help our team on an idea of your overall financial situation, credit, and assets, and allow us to determine just how much home you will be able to buy. If you are ready to begin your hassle-free home buying process, reach out to our team. We'd love to help.